Have you ever wondered about the health of your sperm or the factors that can affect fertility? Welcome to our channel, where we strive to unveil the truth about a topic that is often shrouded in mystery and myth: sperm health and fertility. In this video, we will delve into an exploration that touches on subjects such as pre-ejaculate, sperm count and motility, semen analysis, and even the seemingly trivial topic of watery sperm. But that's not all. We will also shine a light on common mistakes that can negatively impact sperm health. From the seemingly harmless habit of not getting enough sleep, to the consumption of processed meat and soda, to the exposure to hot tubs and saunas, stress, excessive use of electronics, engaging in cycling, and even the choice of undergarments, we will discuss it all. So, join us as we walk you through the fascinating world of sperm, offering insights that could be crucial to your family planning journey. First, let's clear up some misconceptions. What is the difference between sperm and semen? And does pre-ejaculate contain sperm? Sperm and semen are often used interchangeably, but they're not the same thing. Sperm are microscopic cells, the male reproductive cells, that carry the genetic information necessary for conception. They are produced in the testicles and are about the size of a grain of sand. On the other hand, semen, also known as seminal fluid, is the substance that sperm are carried in. It's a mixture of fluids from various glands in the male reproductive system. Semen serves as a vehicle for the sperm, helping to protect and nourish them as they make their journey towards the female egg. Now, let's talk about pre-ejaculate, sometimes referred to as pre-cum. This is a clear fluid that is released from the penis during sexual arousal before ejaculation. There's been a long-standing debate about whether pre-ejaculate contains sperm. The consensus? It can, but usually in very small amounts. The main function of pre-ejaculate is to neutralize the acidity in the urethra and provide a smoother path for the sperm during ejaculation. So, what about sperm count and motility? Sperm count refers to the number of sperm present in a given sample of semen. A healthy sperm count ranges from 15 to 200 million sperm per milliliter of semen. Motility, on the other hand, refers to the ability of the sperm to move. It's crucial because sperm need to navigate through the female reproductive system to reach and fertilize the egg. There are two types of motility: progressive motility, which is forward movement in a straight line, and non-progressive motility, which is any other type of movement. Understanding these basics can help you make sense of your semen analysis results, which we'll discuss next. So, you've heard of a semen analysis, but what does it entail and why is it important? A semen analysis, sometimes referred to as a sperm count test, is a detailed examination of a man's reproductive fluids. It's a critical step in understanding male fertility, with the results providing insights into the quantity and quality of sperm that a man produces. During this test, several parameters are assessed. These include sperm count, which is the number of sperm per milliliter of semen, and sperm motility, which refers to the ability of the sperm to move efficiently towards an egg. The shape of the sperm, otherwise known as morphology, is also evaluated. All these elements play a significant role in fertility. Now let's talk about something a little less known: watery sperm. This term is used to describe semen that is thinner or more fluid than normal. It's often a concern among men, but is it really something to worry about? The consistency of semen can vary greatly from person to person, and even from one ejaculation to another. Factors such as hydration, diet, and frequency of ejaculation can influence the thickness of semen. However, consistently watery semen could indicate a low sperm count or issues with the seminal vesicles, which are responsible for producing the majority of the fluid in semen. Does watery sperm affect fertility? It might. As mentioned earlier, watery semen could be a sign of a low sperm count, which can make it more difficult to conceive. However, it's not a definitive indicator. The only sure way to know if you have a low sperm count is through a semen analysis. If you're concerned about watery semen, there are treatments available. Lifestyle changes like maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, and staying hydrated can make a difference. In some cases, medical treatments may be necessary. Consulting with a healthcare provider is always the best course of action when fertility concerns arise. Now that we've covered these key aspects of sperm health, let's move on to some common mistakes that could be harming your sperm. Scene script. Are you guilty of these sperm-killing mistakes? Let's find out. First up on our list is a lack of sleep. Yes, you heard it right. When you skimp on sleep, your body produces less testosterone, a hormone vital for sperm production. In fact, studies show that men who sleep less than 6 hours a night have a sperm count 29% lower than those who get a full night's rest. So do your swimmers a favor and catch those z's. Next, we have the consumption of processed meat. You may love your bacon and sausages, but they might not love you back. Processed meats are often high in saturated fats and hormone-disrupting chemicals, both of which can negatively impact sperm health. Research suggests that men who consume a lot of processed meats have lower sperm quality than those who eat a diet rich in fish, chicken, fruits, and vegetables. Thirdly, let's talk about hot tubs and saunas. While they might be great for relaxation, they're not so great for your sperm. Sperm are sensitive to heat, and prolonged exposure to high temperatures can impair their production and function. This is why the testicles are located outside the body, to keep them cool. So, if you're trying to boost your fertility, you might want to limit your time in the hot tub. Finally, for this section, we have soda. Yes, that fizzy drink you love could be fizzling out your sperm. High sugar diets, especially those that include a lot of sweetened beverages, can lead to obesity and type 2 diabetes, both of which are linked to lower sperm count and quality. One study found that men who drink one or more sugary drinks a day have a 20% lower sperm count than those who don't. But wait, there's more. Here are a few more habits that you might want to reconsider. Ready for more? Let's dive into the final 4 mistakes that could be affecting your sperm health. First up, stress. It's no secret that stress can wreak havoc on your body, and your sperm are no exception. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that can negatively impact sperm production and quality. So, take a deep breath, find ways to relax, and keep your stress levels in check. Your swimmers will thank you. Next on the list is excessive use of electronics. It might sound surprising, but the heat and electromagnetic fields emitted by laptops, tablets, and even cell phones can potentially harm sperm. So, try to keep these devices away from your lap as much as possible. Give your sperm a fighting chance. Thirdly, let's talk about cycling. While it's a great form of exercise, long periods of cycling can generate heat and pressure in the groin area, which can negatively impact sperm health. Don't worry, you don't have to give up your love for cycling. Just consider taking frequent breaks or using a specially designed seat to reduce pressure. And last, but certainly not least, tight undergarments. Yes, those tighty whities might be causing more harm than good. Tight underwear can increase the temperature in the scrotum, which can affect sperm production. Opt for looser, breathable fabrics to give your sperm the optimal environment they need to thrive. Remember, it's the small changes that can make a big difference in your fertility journey. Whether it's managing stress, reducing your use of electronics, adjusting your exercise routine, or even changing your underwear, these steps can help improve your sperm health and boost your chances of successful family planning. So, keep these common mistakes in mind and make the necessary adjustments for your health and future. Your sperm health matters, and it's never too late to start making positive changes. Remember, it's the small changes that can make a big difference in your fertility journey. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of sperm and semen to common mistakes that can harm sperm health. We've delved into pre-ejaculate, sperm count and motility, semen analysis, and even watery sperm. We've also explored the everyday habits that can negatively impact sperm health, including lack of sleep, consumption of processed meat and soda, exposure to hot tubs and saunas, stress, excessive use of electronics, engaging in cycling, and wearing tight undergarments. It's clear that understanding and prioritizing male reproductive health can play a vital role in family planning and overall well-being. Awareness is the first step to making a positive change. So, let's continue this journey together, learning, growing, and prioritizing our health. Thank you for joining us in this informative journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Stay healthy, stay informed.